In this video, we will give you a brief overview of the most interesting facts and main features of Australia. Let's embark on a journey to this magnificent country. Australia is the smallest continent in the world, yet it is the largest island nation. Located in the southern hemisphere, this country has approximately 26 million inhabitants. Its capital is Canberra, but the largest and most famous city is Sydney. Australia is known not only for its beautiful landscapes and unique nature, but also for its rich cuisine. There are many dishes that have developed under the influence of various cultures. Australians place great importance on barbecuing and enjoy grilling meat, fish, and vegetables outdoors. Additionally, the dessert known as pavlova, which is based on meringue, is one of the symbols of Australian cuisine. Throughout this video, we will explore the beauty, culture, and cuisine of Australia. Australia is renowned for its extraordinary nature. Here lies the world's largest coral reef, the Great Barrier Reef. This unique ecosystem hosts thousands of species of marine life, including colorful fish, seahorses, and corals. The Great Barrier Reef is considered one of the natural wonders of the world and is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. A large part of the country is covered by deserts and arid regions. The Red Center region, located in the interior of Australia, is known for its red soil and unique landscapes. At the center of this region is Uluru, an important symbol for both the local Aboriginal culture and tourists. Uluru is famous for its stunning color changes during sunrise and sunset. What about Australia's animals? There are creatures here that you won't find anywhere else in the world. Kangaroos, koalas, and platypuses are some of Australia's most recognizable animals. Kangaroos are unique mammals, known for their hopping movement. Koalas are adorable creatures that live in trees and feed exclusively on eucalyptus leaves. But be careful. Australia is also home to some of the world's most venomous snakes, spiders, and jellyfish. Therefore, it's very important to be cautious when exploring nature. The Australian cuisine is rich and full of delicious dishes developed under the influence of various cultures. Now let's talk about some of the most famous dishes of Australia. 1. Kangaroo steak. Kangaroo steak is one of the most popular dishes in Australian cuisine. This meat is known for being healthy and low in fat. Kangaroo meat is typically cooked by grilling, frying, or baking. Spices and marinades are used to enhance its unique flavor. Kangaroo steak is a protein-rich dish that is found on most restaurant menus. Native fish and holds a special place in seafood cuisine. Found in tropical waters, this fish is known for its tender and juicy flesh. Its taste resembles sea bass and snapper, but is richer and slightly more buttery. Barramundi can be cooked in various ways: grilled, baked, or steamed. It is often served with lemon, olive oil, and aromatic herbs to enhance its natural flavor. Rich in omega-3 and high-quality protein, it is a great choice for a healthy diet. For Aboriginal communities, barramundi has cultural significance and has been traditionally hunted for thousands of years. Today, it is sustainably farmed and has become an essential part of Australian cuisine. A must filled with a mixture of meat. It typically includes sausage meat, onions, and various spices. The filling is wrapped in pastry and baked until golden brown. Sausage rolls are especially enjoyed during tea time, picnics, and gatherings. They can be eaten hot or cold and are often served with ketchup or sauces. Simple, tasty, and filling, they are a must-try snack when in Australia. Traditional dish in Australia and a favorite snack for many people. This delicious meal consists of a pastry filled with meat, onions, vegetables, and spices. Meat pies are typically covered with a crispy pastry and served hot. These pies are especially enjoyed during football games, picnics, and other events. Their simplicity, heartiness, and flavor make them an essential part of Australian cuisine. You can often find meat pies in local cafes and restaurants, and they are definitely a must-try for anyone visiting Australia. Pavlova is one of the most iconic desserts in Australian cuisine. This meringue-based dessert has a crispy outer layer and a soft, airy inside. It is usually topped with fresh fruits like kiwi, blackberries, or bananas, along with whipped cream. The origins of pavlova are disputed between Australia and New Zealand, but it remains a beloved dessert in both countries. This dish showcases the richness and diversity of Australian cuisine. If you visit Australia, trying pavlova is highly recommended. For example, there are more camels than people here. Australia has the largest wild camel population in the world, which makes it unique. These camels were brought to the country in the 19th century and later released into the wild. Another fascinating fact, the boomerang is very popular in Australia. It was originally used by Aboriginal people as a hunting tool, and if thrown correctly, it returns to the thrower. Today, the boomerang is one of the cultural symbols of Australia.